everyone, welcome back to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. From the title of the video, you should know what I'm about to do. I'm about to tell you guys the things that you should know before you head off to Heineken Lagos Fashion Week. I was supposed to do this video with Edwin, but Edwin got literally this morning, he literally got an email and he had to stay at work all day long, so it is only me doing this video today. Edwin did send me some stuff that he wanted me to say in the video, so I have his side covered and I have my side covered, and now I am ready to let you guys know everything that you need to know before you attend Fashion Week. I think this is gonna be my 5th Fashion Week. This is gonna be my 5th Fashion Week. Yes, I think this is gonna be my 5th Fashion Week, and I'm so happy and I'm so grateful that I'm able to attend Fashion Week. Fashion Week is one of the biggest events that happens in the Lagos and even in the Nigeria social scene. People fly in from Accra, they fly in from other parts of Nigeria, they fly in from South Africa to come for Lagos Fashion Week. By the way, I'm not wearing a bra, I'm wearing a bralette. This is a bralette from Adebiyi lingerie. I really like it so much, and I decided I wanted to be a bit more fashiony in today's video, even though I have no makeup on. But before we begin today's video, please do me a favor and subscribe to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel. I'd love to have you here on my part of my family, part of the internet, you know, building a little family of people here, and I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. Decided to divide this video into 3 mini sections: before Fashion Week, during Fashion Week, and after Fashion Week. And I'm going to be talking about the things and the essentials and everything you need to know pertaining to Fashion Week in those 3 separate parts. So before Fashion Week. So Fashion Week happens at the end of October every year. So for me, starting from September, the beginning of September, even the month before that, I start thinking, okay, I'm going to do Fashion Week. What am I going to wear? Who do I want to work with? Is there any designer you want to collaborate with? That kind of thing. So number one, what you want to go to Fashion Week to do. Do you want to go there to just wear fine clothes and take pictures and be part of the social scene? That's fine. Do you want to go there to cover Fashion Week like I do? Because every year at Fashion Week, I do blog posts, I do videos, I do that kind of thing. Like, I have a whole content calendar for Fashion Week. What are you going to go and do at Fashion Week? And what you decide what you're going to do is going to determine what the actions are and what you're gonna need and stuff like that. For me, as a content creator, I'm going to Fashion Week to create content. So I'm gonna be taking photos, I'm gonna be wearing clothes, I'm gonna be doing videos, I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of stuff. So knowing that ahead already helps me to plan my content, already helps me to plan my essentials, and helps me to plan everything that I want to do for Fashion Week. Part of what I want to do for Fashion Week involves a press pass. If you want to attend Fashion Week for free as press, you need to apply for press pass, and they announced press pass registration, I think, last month. I don't know if they've closed it now. I do not know. You should definitely check the LFW handle. I'm gonna put the handles here. You have to follow Lagos Fashion Week on Instagram and follow Style Has Files on Instagram. It's very, very important so that you can keep up to date with everything. They announce the days, the designers, everything you need to know about Fashion Week. It's usually announced on their Instagram account. Plan your outfits. Plan exactly what you're going to do. Are you going to dress from one designer? Are you going to go to different designers? Or are you going to meet different people? Or are you going to dress from your wardrobe? No matter what you do, dress for what you want to portray. Express yourself. Fashion Week is literally the only place. It's like parade for fashion people. We only have those 4 days to do whatever we want, to dress anyhow we want, to express ourselves to the fullest. So use Fashion Week as your expression board. Use it as a way to have fun and meet new people. Part of the things that you have to do before Fashion Week is to make sure that you have reached out to the brands you want to work with. So if you are just attending Fashion Week for the first time and you have some sort of following, some sort of influence, you can reach out to brands and be like, hi, I'm going to be attending Fashion Week and I would love to wear your clothes. Or hi, I'm going to be attending Fashion Week and I'd love to work with you in this way, this way, this way. Reach out to brands, let them know that you're attending Fashion Week, let them know that you're interested in working with them to create content or to take pictures and that sort of thing. And make sure you reach out to them in time. Do not reach out to them a day before Fashion Week. Reach out to them at least a month ahead. A couple of weeks ahead will be good so that you'll be able to get all the approvals, because many companies have many layers of approval. Now get your supplies in check. Now depending on what you want to do at Fashion Week will determine the supplies. So if you're just gonna go to Fashion Week to take some cool pictures and be a cool kid, you need your phone and you need internet. like on your phone, like a data plan, so you can take pictures and post them. That's it. But if you're like me and you're a content creator, you're gonna need your camera, you're gonna need your phone, you're gonna need a data plan, you're gonna need a power bank. You're gonna need those things so that when you are, you know, doing live streams or taking photos or doing takeovers for brands, you're always connected and you're always on the internet. So make sure you know what you want to do at Fashion Week, which will determine what you're going to carry to Fashion Week. One thing that I don't think a lot of people talk about when it comes to Fashion Week is the movement plan. Now this year Fashion Week is going to be happening at OmogeMuRa. Depending on how you move in Lagos, you could either go with Uber or Taxify, or you can go with a car if you drive like me, or if you are taking public transport. What I would advise anyone to do if they're going to attend Fashion Week for the first time is to find people that are going and attending Fashion Week for the first time, and like you guys coming together and forming like a kind of clique, so that you have friends in movement and friends in transportation, so you guys can come together with an Uber, like you know, put money together and then know that you guys will be using this Uber to go back and forth. Transportation in Lagos can get very expensive depending on where you're coming from. If you live on the mainland, it can cost a bit of money to transport yourself to and fro for Fashion Week for the 4 days. So find a way to cut costs and to save some money by grouping with some friends, or if you have any Taxify codes, if you have any Uber codes, you know, just use them to save some money off, you know, these ride-sharing apps. One of the most important things that happens at Fashion Week is networking. You are going to be able to meet people from all over Nigeria, all over, like people come in for Fashion Week, and you want to be able to network and know these people. To add to your Rolodex, you have to be able to network well. And networking isn't about being a robot and like going up to somebody and be like, hi, I'm Deola, I'm a fashion blogger, I'd like to network with you. That's not how networking works. Networking is about getting to know somebody on a business level and also on a friendship level. You can be friends with the people you network with. I don't mean friends like you guys are going out to have beers or anything, but I mean friends like you guys are acquaintances, like when you guys see each other at events, you say hi, you do this, you do that. So you have to network effectively. You're not gonna go to Fashion Week and just stand around and be like, hi. Have your elevator pitch. Know exactly what you want people to know about you, so that if you meet somebody that really interests you, like for example a stylist or a designer or somebody that works at this brand, make sure you know what you're about to say. Make sure you don't go there to fumble, and when they say, oh, how are you, what do you do? So I'm kind of like a person, like I work in media. No, you don't want to do that. Make sure you have a couple of sentences that you can say about yourself and say about your business, so that people will be able to know who you are. The thing about Fashion Week is that Fashion Week is very tense. I cannot talk about how tense Fashion Week is for people. So if you're able to get somebody to talk to you, make sure you are able to say what you want and just quickly, you know, network and quickly just like, hi, my name is this, I do this, oh that's nice, and you guys get to gist and stuff like that, and you collect each other's numbers. The great thing about the age that we live in right now is that we all have a mobile phone. You can simply say, hi, can I have your number? Or hi, can I follow you on Instagram? Like literally when I go to events and people are like, oh, what do you do? I'm a blogger and content creator. Oh cool, are you on Instagram? I pull up my Instagram account and I show them. Or I ask them for their phone and I say, can I have your phone? And then I pull up my Instagram account on their phone and I make them follow me and I make them look at my stuff, and they're like, oh cool. That's a simple way of doing it. Make sure you make friends with fellow bloggers. Sorry, I'm holding a pen because I wrote down a lot of stuff. Make sure you make friends with people at Fashion Week. Make sure you make friends with your fellow bloggers. See who's gonna be at Fashion Week. Even before you get to the tent, look at who is talking about Fashion Week and reach out through Instagram. Hi, I see you're going to Fashion Week. I'm very new at this thing. Can I go along with you? Can I hang with you? Going to events can be lonely. I know this because I've attended my own fair share of events. Going to an event can be very lonely. Going to Fashion Week can be so lonely because everybody's running back and forth, trying to get photos, trying to do this, trying to do that, just like you're running helter-skelter. Make sure you try your best to make some friends, or make sure you go with some friends. Like if you find some friends on the internet that are going to Fashion Week, try hang with them. Send them a message beforehand. Hi, I'd love to hang with you for Fashion Week. It's simple. And if you are a cool and good person, believe me, you will find people that want to hang with you at Fashion Week. It just makes sense. Now, if somebody wants to take your photo at Fashion Week, say yes. If you're going to Fashion Week as a blogger, influencer, content creator, and you've dressed up for Fashion Week, like you've gone to designers, you picked some clothes, you pulled some outfits, you've done your makeup, you've got that fine shoe that you've been eyeing, yo, make sure they take your photo, bro. Make sure. Have one of your friends start taking your photos, and then people will start taking your photos. Like if I get to the tent and I see a couple of photographers milling about and I want them to take my photo, I'll ask Edwin to take a photo of me, and people will just like, oh, they're taking photos of her, we should take photos of her. So if you're going to Fashion Week and you've dressed up and you want people to take your photos, don't be ashamed of it. You're a blogger, you're an influencer, it's your thing. Do not be ashamed of your game. Do not be ashamed of what you do. You've been outside the tent, you've networked, you've met some people, you've taken your photos. Now it's time to get into the shows. Now, if you have a press tag, sit where they ask you to sit. Press have their own designated seats. Though sometimes I disagree with the way they treat press here in Nigeria. We tend to put press on the back and then put celebrities in front, which is an argument and a fight that I am tired of having. I am literally tired of having these conversations with people, because press is what makes Fashion Week. Press is what makes events. So, but that's not a conversation for today. That's not what we're doing today. So wherever they ask you to sit, if you have a press pass, sit there. Do your best. It might be 3rd row, 4th row, 5th row, it might be all the way at the back, but do your best with what you have. So you have attended Fashion Week, it's the first day or the first couple of days are over. So what are you going to do? Number one, when I go home after Fashion Week, what I usually do is I sleep. I remove my makeup and I go to bed. And then in the morning, I look at what I have. I look at all the photos. I look at all the footage. I look at everything. And I kind of put together what I'm doing. So if I'm going to do, like, for example, I do a day-by-day recap. I do my day-by-day recap. If I have an Instagram video to edit, I edit that. If I have all that kind of thing, like I just do the work I have to do the day after. And then what you should do after Fashion Week, which is really important, is to follow up with the people that you networked and you met. If there's anything that I think I made a mistake with last year, is that I met some great people last year, but I did not follow up with them. I had a really great opportunity to do some crazy things last year, but because I just didn't follow up, I wasn't able to take advantage of those opportunities. So don't be like me. Follow up with everybody that you meet. And it doesn't even have to be like a long, lengthy text. It could just be like, hi, I met you at Fashion Week. It was so great to network and meet with you. Looking forward to working together, or looking forward to getting to talk to you, or looking forward to getting to know you more. Simple. And once in a while, if you see something cool that they do, for example, if you networked with a stylist and you see some other work that a certain stylist has done after Fashion Week, say, oh my god, I saw what you did. That's great. I love your work. Oh my god, you did this, I like this. And that is how you follow up and you network with people after events. It's very important that you follow up so that you're always on their mind, so that they always remember that, yeah, this is the kid I met at Fashion Week and she seems pretty cool. So that if they have any opportunities that might come up, they will suggest you. Alright, so that is basically it. I don't want to repeat myself a lot, because I feel like my last video with Edwin and this video are going to be very similar, but I just wanted to like reiterate and just talk about the things that are going to be happening at Fashion Week. This year Fashion Week is going to be happening at Oniru, so get there a bit early, because I don't even know where in Oniru it's happening, which is why I'm going to get there early so that I can like scope out and figure it out and know what's going to be happening, that kind of thing. It's important you get to Fashion Week early so that you'll be able to take your photos, meet with people, network, and just do all the regular stuff that you have to do at Fashion Week. I am looking forward to this year's Fashion Week. I'm doing a takeover for Paul's, and I'm going to be dressed by the Republic. So those are two collaborations I'm very, very excited about. Also, there's another collaboration that I'm hoping, like I'm just crossing my fingers and hoping it works out. If it works out, I'm going to be like so stoked and so happy. That is it basically about Fashion Week. Oh, I forgot to mention, for next week I am not going to be uploading any videos because it's Fashion Week and I cannot come and kill myself. But I am going to be releasing 3 Halloween videos right after Fashion Week. So I'm gonna be making up for my lack of videos next week with 3 Halloween videos next week. And I'm super excited for these videos. Like, I'm crazy excited for these videos. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, do let me know. Leave them in the comment section below and I'll answer all your questions. If there's something that I haven't covered, again, let me know in the comment section below and I will reply you. Thank you guys so much once again for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the OmogeMuRa YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye. Boobies. Boobies, boobies, boobies. Actually, I really like this bra top because it gives like support and not support at the same time. And I also love this top, this net top. I got it from thrift. I got it thrifting. I'm wearing these shorts that I got from Tunde. Alright, bye guys. bye.